here's my new table. I'm very excited. It's just the one from Amazon. So we're going to unbox it here and I'll show it to you when we set up. It is fully put together. It's fully connected. So there's no, like, all I got to do is open the legs. So back in a second.
Hi, baby.
So here's the desk. It's fully standing up right now. Ignore my messy room. It's going to go here where that computer was sitting. And again, ignore my mess. Here's the finished look. My little feet thing. And then this is like my workstation. So it fits perfectly. It's a little longer than I wanted it because of the door edge there, but it's just a closet door. So if needed, I can move over to the left a little bit. It's really nice. Easy to store if needed. I can fold it back up when I'm done. Really nice little table.
Alright, so taking it out of the box, the styrofoam, you know, it makes a little mark on it, but it comes straight out of the box. Packaged pretty well. Got some extra feet for the legs down there. You just basically open it right up. It's hard to do with one hand. Yes, it's spring-loaded. And then when you want to fold it in, you just kind of pull this in and push the leg down. So, there you go.
The table is overall really good, and just one part is, there is a fault in one part. Both these legs have adjustable screws, but from this one have a screw, but not this one. That's the problem with maybe while packing they make a mistake. Thank you.